Can you be ready to grab that from him when he comes out?
Why am I the one you haven't grabbed it?
Because you've already done it once and you know where to stand.
It's very cold. Yes, it really fucking is. And I really fucking know
It's
that.
very deep, very cold. Snow runoff. The current is very fast. Goes up to your waist in places. Very deceptive. I've fallen in twice and gone underwater, head and all, trying to just get out of that at the very last stages. But you see Cliff's pack in the background. It is so huge, 65 pounds. He can't possibly carry it all the way through, which I tried to do with mine, which is only 50 pounds. Lost my footing. But Cliff has come across once already, and now he's coming across with a second load he's ferrying. So this is going to take a while, but he's a brave soul. All right.